Hello everyone, welcome back to the 5 Best. In today's video, we will be checking out the top 5 best Android TV boxes you can buy in 2023. I have made this list based on buyers' suggestions, opinions, and hours of research. I also listed them based on price, features, and durability. TVs have evolved rapidly over the past few years. However, if you're one of the few who refuse to replace your perfect working TV with a smart or Android TV, then Android TV boxes are the ones for you. In this video, you will find our recommendations on the best Android TV boxes out in the market. As always, our goal here is to create an exciting shopping guide so that our subscribers and viewers can make the best decisions when buying these products. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the 5 Best, where we explore the best technology gadgets on the market and help you make the right purchasing decision based on your specific requirements. The links to all the products mentioned in this video are available, and we will show them in the description below. Make sure to click the subscribe icon to stay up to date on information and content. Also, hit the notification bell icon so that you never miss a video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Fire TV Stick 4K. Hailed as Amazon's most powerful streaming device, the Fire TV Stick 4K is one of the absolute best Android TV boxes on the market today. With support for leading HDR formats, Dolby Atmos audio, access to the latest 4K content, and a lightning-fast processor, Fire TV Stick 4K enables you to experience the beauty of 4K Ultra HD movies and shows on your TV. The Fire TV Stick 4K unlocks a complete 4K Ultra HD experience. Plus, finding 4K Ultra HD content has never been easier on Fire TV. Just press and ask Alexa, find 4K movies, or browse recommendations on your home screen. You can control your compatible TV, soundbar, and receiver with power, volume, and mute buttons. Just press and ask to easily find, launch, and control movies and TV shows. Streaming on Fire TV is simple and intuitive. It all starts with the main menu, where you can quickly access your favorite content. Search across hundreds of channels and apps to find what you want to watch. Enjoy personalized streaming using profiles with recommendations, viewing history, and watch lists for each person in your household. With the Fire TV Stick 4K, you'll never run out of content to enjoy. Check out favorites from Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, HBO Max, Apple TV+, Starz, Showtime, Paramount+, and others. Stream live news, sports, and must-see shows plus thousands of titles in brilliant 4K Ultra HD, HDR, HDR10+, or Dolby Vision. Access tens of thousands of HDR titles. Plus, play millions of songs through services like Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, and iHeartRadio. The Fire TV Stick 4K isn't just about watching TV. This amazing product is always getting smarter with new Alexa skills and voice functionality. View live camera feeds, check the weather, order a pizza, and stream music, all by using just one device. Amazon has been developing Android TV boxes for years, and the Fire TV Stick 4K is easily their most impressive product yet. TiVo Stream 4K. The TiVo Stream 4K was designed to be as user-friendly as possible. One of the coolest features of the device is the ability to create watch lists across all of your apps in one place. This means that when you're looking for something to watch, you don't have to enter and exit a bunch of different apps to find what you're looking for. Tired of scrolling endlessly without finding something that interests you? The Stream 4K also builds personalized recommendations that are pooled from all of your favorite apps. The Stream 4K is one of the most customizable Android boxes available in 2023. Choose from over 5,000 apps to install. Use Google Assistant to find your favorite movies and control smart home devices, and utilize apps like Plex and Kodi to enjoy your own media content on your TV. There's a reason Time magazine picked the Stream 4K as one of 2020's best inventions. PC Mag calls the device an excellent media streamer for TV lovers. TiVo Stream 4K allows you to quickly and easily find things to watch, and with so many apps available at your fingertips, you'll never run out of ways to enjoy this device. Xiaomi Mi Box S. The Mi Box S is powered by Android TV, easy to use, and supports Google Assistant and Chromecast, as well as delivering a world of content the whole family can enjoy. Access tons of content by utilizing the thousands of apps that are compatible. Stream the freshest new content from all of the best platforms. With Google Assistant integration, you can quickly access entertainment, get answers, and control devices around your home. Just press the mic button on your remote to get started. From dimming the lights to adjusting your thermostat, there's no limit to what you can do with this device. By utilizing the latest in 4K HDR technology, the Mi Box allows you to enjoy an ultra-high-definition viewing experience up to 60 frames per second. Watch your favorite movies and shows in the highest quality possible with vibrant colors and sharp contrast. Unlike some other Android TV boxes, the Mi Box is equipped with an incredibly large storage capacity. Install tons of awesome apps, watch extended cuts, and play more games while enjoying faster performance and stability. The Mi Box is a truly all-in-one platform that doesn't skimp on any features. In a market saturated with subpar products, this device stands out in every way possible. Nvidia Shield TV. Designed for power and performance, the Nvidia Shield TV is a one-of-a-kind product. Whether you're a media enthusiast, gaming enthusiast, or casual streamer, the all-new Shield TV family has you covered. The new Shield TV is compact, stealth, and designed to disappear behind your entertainment center, right along with your cables. The new Shield Pro takes this performance to the next level. It's built for the most demanding users and beautifully designed to be the perfect centerpiece of your entertainment center. One of the coolest features of the Shield TV is its remote. Motion-activated, backlit buttons, including a user-customizable button, voice control, Bluetooth control, and IR blaster to control your TV. Even a built-in lost remote locator. You've never seen a remote like this before. Bring your home theater to life with Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Atmos delivering ultra-vivid picture quality and breakthrough sound. Upscale HD video in real time to 4K for clearer, crisper visuals using next-generation AI image enhancing and the power of the Nvidia Tegra X1 Plus processor. The fusion of Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos for advanced image and sound combines two technologies that directors, sound mixers, and colorists use to create spectacular entertainment experiences. Delivering a more lifelike experience, watch hundreds of titles in Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos on apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and Vudu. Like other high-end Android TV boxes, the Shield comes with Google Assistant built in. Search for movies and shows, access media playback controls, change the temperature, dim the lights, and so much more. Ask questions and see the answers on your TV. Browse your Google Photos gallery, check sports scores, and more. What truly takes the Nvidia Shield to the next level is the ability to play your favorite games straight through your Android TV box. From family favorites to intense multiplayer, you can find all of your favorite games on Google Play Games and Nvidia's cloud-based game streaming service. Connect a controller and dive into AAA games like Fortnite with no gaming console needed. If raw performance is what you're looking for, the Nvidia Shield TV is the absolute perfect device for your home. Chromecast with Google TV. Google was one of the very first brands to create an Android TV box. In 2013, their first Chromecast helped usher in the era of streaming television, but it relied on your phone, tablet, or computer to supply the apps and video. Over the years, Google has perfected their streaming device, and the all-new Chromecast with Google TV is their best effort yet, and the best Android TV box on the market. The new Chromecast is a complete overhaul of past iterations, and every change is for the best. It adds a high-end remote and includes advanced streaming features like 4K resolution, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos. Google TV, formerly known as Android TV, is also a major upgrade. A single unified homepage gathers content for you from across different apps and integrates Google Assistant better than ever. Setting up the Chromecast only takes seconds. Simply plug it in and use the Google Home app on either iOS or Android to get started. All of your usernames and passwords migrate to the Chromecast automatically, saving you the trouble of logging into each individual app you use. The best part of the Chromecast isn't its amazing remote or new interface. It's the seamless way it ties in Google's Assistant. Access the Assistant by holding down a button on the remote to activate it, then say something like, "Show me the Nets game," and Google Assistant will automatically switch to the appropriate app to display your content. Aside from the amazing user interface, the Chromecast also excels in the audio and visual departments. With Dolby Vision, your media is displayed perfectly with dazzling colors and a high dynamic range. Dolby Atmos is also integrated to give you a theater-like experience from the comfort of your own home. If you are into the Google ecosystem, subscribe to YouTube TV. Or if you simply want to try a new way to discover TV shows and movies, the Chromecast with Google TV is an excellent choice. This device stands head and shoulders above the competition in nearly every way. If you're in the market for an Android TV box in 2023, the Chromecast with Google TV is the best way to stream your favorite movies and TV shows. And that would be all for today's top 5 best Android TV boxes you can buy in 2023. For more mind-blowing videos of technology gadgets and electronics, subscribe to this channel. Like and share with friends, and we will see you in the next video.